Now children, we will start with session number 1 of this unit, working web applications, and the topic is working with accessibility option. Children, accessibility option is the features, these services provided to the people, those who are having certain sort of disability, that person is not able to use computer easily. So in this session we will learn about that how those and what features are available in our computer, that if any person is having disability, that person is also able to use the computer easily. Here in this accessibility option you will check if any person is having visual impairment, unable to see, so that person is not able to work on computer. So for that person, how that person will also work with the computer easily, this one we will learn in this session. Hearing impairment, if anyone is having speech impairment, physical impairment, few people are there na, those who are having motor nerve problem, they are not able to hold the mouse easily, they are not able to press the keys from the keyboard easily. For that person, how they people they can work easily with the computer. So this thing we will learn in this accessibility option. How this accessibility option will come from control panel. Children, when you are clicking on start button, I will show you this thing in practical also. When you are clicking on start button, here is control panel. When you are clicking, you will check this window will appear. This one is your control panel window. Here you will check ease of access center. Here is ease of access center. When you are clicking on this, you will move on to the new screen. Children, here you to move on to this ease of access, you are having two more options. First is from login screen. You know now that on login screen we are having this symbol. When you are clicking on this, you will move directly on control panel, and keyboard shortcut is window plus U. And when you are clicking on this, you will move directly onto this particular side. This is the window of control panel. Here is 4 options: start magnifier, start narrator, on screen keyboard, and set up high contrast. Magnifier, if any person is not able to see whatever the things on the computer easily, for that person magnifier it allows you say whatever the things are there on the screen now, it will zoom out those things and it will show you the large font size. Narrator is for those who are having visibility problem, they are not able to see, so for that person, that computer will narrate, computer will read whatever the things that person is typing. Any blind person don't know what is typing on the screen, so you will start narrator and give that computer to blind person, that whatever work he is doing with the help of the keyboard or mouse, that computer will narrate that thing. I will show you this thing in practically also. On screen keyboard, if any person is not able to press the keys from the keyboard easily, for that person on screen keyboard is there. Set up high contrast, if any person is having this eye strain problem, that person is not able to see the things clearly easily. In phone also this high contrast option is there. White background, black font, by default it is, but some people are there na, those who are having this eye strain problem, what they will use black background and white color font. So this thing is set up high contrast. And when you are clicking here, first you will check magnifier. Children, magnifier, what it will do, it will increase the size of the font. This one is magnifier, whatever is writing on the screen, this one is my magnifier, it will zoom this thing on the screen. This one is magnifier. Next one is narrator. What it will do, what you are writing with the help of keyboard, it will read that thing, whatever you are writing on the screen, it will read that thing. Basically narrator is for blind person. Set up high contrast, if anyone is having eye strain, this eye problem, to reduce this eye strain, set up high contrast. Next is make computer easy to use. Children, here you will check when I am clicking set up high contrast, we are having few options. Whatever property you want, you will select that one, and then at last you will click on apply and OK. From here that particular specific work will done. Here is first is set up choose high contrast theme. You will check here, turn on or off high contrast with the help of left alt plus left shift and print screen. This one is the setup of this high contrast. Left side ka alt button, shift button and print screen button simultaneously when you are pressing, then this high contrast theme, this window will appear. Here text and description read aloud. If you are clicking on this narrator, whatever, for blind person, they don't know what is going on the screen, whatever they are typing now, whatever key they are pressing from the keyboard, that computer will repeat, a computer will narrate that thing what they are typing. So this is the function of narrator. On screen, if you want to make things larger, तो अभी magnifier है ना. Next one is your different keys. Here mouse keys, children, mouse keys are for those who are having problem in using mouse. These are the options available. By this they can increase, decrease the size of the cursor, color of the cursor they can change. देखो, regular black, regular white, regular inverting. So these are the options for making mouse easier. Next one is make keyboard easier to use. When you are clicking on here, you will check keyboard easier to use. Here we are having few options: mouse key, sticky key, toggle key, filter key. Children, these key, they are directly coming in the exam, so learn the definition of all these four keys. It will come directly in your exam, and every time one or two key example or definition they'll ask. So first is your mouse key. Mouse key, if any person is having problem in using mouse, for that mouse key is there. Next one is your here. Next one is to use sticky keys. Sticky keys क्या होता है? That control alt and delete. By default these key they are working in with some else key. हमेशा control alt and delete हम कभी भी अकेले यूज नहीं करते. We are using in the combination of one another key, and in this the quality is कि हमें दोनों keys होती हैं simultaneously we have to press. But if any person is having problem, he is not having one hand, then how that person will press both the keys simultaneously? So for that person, sticky keys option is there. You will enable this option, and when you enable this, you will check here at the bottom. When you are clicking, when you are enable this, you will click on this apply and then click on OK. जैसे मैं apply OK कर दूंगी, sticky keys, what it will do that now if I turn on this sticky keys, कंट्रोल ऑल्ट एंड डिलीट, ठीक है, जैसे मैं ये कोई भी की प्रेस करूंगी, देन कंप्यूटर विल वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट की. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल शॉर्टकट की ऑफ कॉपी इज कंट्रोल प्लस सी. इफ I am normal person, I will press both the keys simultaneously, then computer will understand control plus C means copy करना है. But if any person is having problem, he is not having one hand, so for that person it is difficult to use that computer. So for that sticky keys हमें क्या करना है? We will enable this. And now if I am pressing control key, sticky key is on, I am pressing control key. Now computer will wait for the next keystroke. I am pressing A. Then computer will understand कि control plus A means that select the all. The text written in the document. Then this is the function of sticky keys. ठीक है, sticky keys means as its name suggests stick हो जाता है जब तक हम second key press नहीं करते. And with the combination of those two key, it will perform that function. नेक्स्ट वन इज टॉगल की. चिल्ड्रन, टॉगल की कौन सी होती है? कैप्स लॉक, नम लॉक एंड स्क्रॉल लॉक. तो टॉगल की क्या होता है? व्हेन यू आर प्रेसिंग, व्हेन एनी पर्सन इज ब्लाइंड, दैट पर्सन डोंट नो कि कैप्स लॉक प्रेस हुआ कि नम लॉक प्रेस हुआ, देन दैट पर्सन, व्हेन दैट पर्सन ऑन और टाइप एनी सच की, और मैंने इसको ऑन किया हुआ है, देन it will produce one beep sound. These are toggle keys. Next one is your filter key. Filter key होता है for adjusting keyboard repeat rates. These are the filter key. If you want to repeat any key again and again, then you will use filter key option. One is sound sentry. Children, sound sentry is for that person if any person is having sound problem. Okay, so what it will do, it will give you visual warning. Any person is deaf, that person is not able to listen the sound. So for that person, what it will do, it will press or it will give you the visual warning of that, like blinking of the title bar होता है ना, when I open 2 or 3 windows, so when you are closing that one, तो वो blink होता है that title bar. So such sort of information they are giving you on by giving visual notification for sound, means visually it will show that you are clicking on this file. So this one term is sound sentry. These 4 definition: sound sentry, filter key, toggle key, sticky keys. You will learn this definition directly. It will come directly in your exam. Define the following. Okay children, now we will check these things in the practical. So here we will go there in the practical. Okay, Now children, we will start with the next topic of unit 1, that is working with accessibility option. Here I will show you this thing in practically. Here you will click on this start button. Here you will check this one is control panel. When you are clicking on control panel, you will move on to this screen. This one is control panel screen. Here is ease of access center. Children, you will go directly on this by two more methods. One is when you are on this login screen, there you found this option ease of access. When you are clicking on this, you will switch directly onto this window. And third option is you will use window plus U key, shortcut key from the keyboard. When you are on this ease of access, basically ease of access is if any person is having visual, any hearing, and it's a sort of impairment, physical motor nerve problem, वो person use नहीं कर पा रहा है computer, for that person, how that person will easily use or easily access these is property. You will click here, you will check here ease of access center, click here. Now you will check here, so many options are there. Start magnifier. Start magnifier, I am clicking. It will show you the screen in zoom manner. Is this magnifier is having these few options for zoom out, decrease the size, zoom in for increasing the size. Okay. Next one is here views. Children, here views, full screen view, complete. Lens view, one lens portion it will show. This one is lens. And third one is your dock view. Dock view, what it will do, dock view will divide the complete screen in two parts. Like this, this magnifier works. So here I am selecting this. I am closing first this magnifier. You will click here on this double dot, double arrow. You will check magnifier is there. Now from here you will close this magnifier by this. For anyone is having visibility problem. Narrator is for those who are having any we can say na audio problem, that person is not able to see the things. For that person this audio will work. Echo, user keystroke, announce system message, means if any person is blind, that person don't know what is going on the screen. From here you will select announce, scroll notification, start, narrator, minimize, so that person from here that person will set the settings. On screen keyboard, if any person is having the problem of motor nerve, that person is not able to work with the keyboard, then that person will use on screen keyboard. Okay, you will open your Word document, and in that Word document you will start typing with the help of this on screen keyboard. From here you will write anything, you will check, it will work. So this is the function of on screen keyboard if any person is having the problem in typing from the keyboard. Next our topic is set up high contrast if any person is having visibility problem, कुछ उसको देखने में problem है, eye strain problem is there. So from here you will select this thing, then you will are able to set the high contrast. You will click here, turn on or off the high contrast with the help of left alt, left shift and print screen. You will press from the keyboard and then your contrast will be increased. Children, next we can do the same thing from here. Get recommendation to make your computer easier to use. When you are clicking, you will check computer is asking you few 5 questions. From here, what if problem you are facing, you will select that one and then click on next. Like this, second dexterity, pen pencil difficult to use, any problem, what problem you are facing, keyboard you are not able to use, then click on next. You will select your problem, and in this manner it will give you the recommendation settings to you. Conversation problem, hearing problem. Next is session 4, speech problem. If you are having speech problem, you will select and then click on next. So it will give you the recommendation settings. Here is reasoning problem, difficult for me to concentrate. From here you will select what problem you are facing. Explore all settings. Here you will check use computer without the display, means if any person is blind, for that person without display he will use. You will click here, you will check narrator on ho jana hai, and then turn on audio description if you are selecting, and then click on apply and okay. Then your screen will off, and whatever you are doing, it will, that narrator will read that thing from the screen. For this, keyboard must be there in your computer, sorry, mouse, this nice speaker must be there in your computer. Make computer easier to use. Children, when you are clicking here, same thing, high contrast. With the help of this shortcut key also you are able to work with this high contrast. Narrator, if any person is having sound this problem na, visibility problem, so usko that computer will read those thing. Audio description computer will read. Magnifier, if anyone is having visibility problem, you will select it according to your choice. Here you will select and then click apply and okay. Okay, next one is your computer without mouse or keyboard you want to use, means from this keyboard only you want to do, from this on screen keyboard you will select it and then click on apply and okay. By this one is use speech recognition. When you are saying something, computer will do that thing. You will click here, use speech recognition, you will select your microphone, and what you are saying there in microphone, that computer will do. Okay, this one is speech recognition. These things are for those persons those who are having certain sort of problem. Next is use computer without a mouse or keyboard. Make the mouse easier to use. If any person is having this problem, that person is not able to check this mouse cursor easily, for that person what color, what size or color you want, you will select and then click on apply. You will check the size of the mouse, this cursor increase and color also change to black. From here you will select any color, and like this you people are able to use mouse easily. I am clicking ok, you will check my mouse color, this cursor color is again white. Next is make the keyboard easier to use. Children, here if any person is having the problem, he is not able to select multiple or click multiple keys simultaneously, for that person here are the few keys how that person will use the keyboard easier. First is your mouse key. Mouse key, children, these are the key that if any person is having difficulty in using mouse, है ना, so that turn on mouse key. If you will set up your mouse key from here, that with the help of this in the numeric keypad if you want to use, then you will use mouse key. Mouse key is basically if any person is having difficulty in problem selecting mouse. Sticky keys that any person, we people we are using this control key, alt key, delete key, इनको modifiers बोलते हैं, because they are not using individually, always they are using in the combination of some another key. So if I am pressing control plus A from the keyboard, हमें क्या करना पड़ता है, we have to press both key, control A, control V, control C simultaneously. If we are not pressing these keys simultaneously, then what the computer will do, it will not accept the keys, है ना. So if any person is having problem, if that person is not able to press both the keys simultaneously, then you will select this turn on sticky keys. अब इसमें क्या होगा, if I have set it on and now from my keyboard I am pressing control, ये की तब तक इनेबल रहेगी जब तक मैं कोई सेकंड की कॉम्बिनेशन की प्रेस नहीं कर दूं. व्हेन आई एम प्रेसिंग ए, then it will perform that operation. It is for those people those who are having problem in working with simultaneous keys. Toggle keys, children, here caps lock, num lock, scroll lock, these are the toggle keys. If any person is having problem in visibility, so ये क्या होता है, beep sound they are producing. Here you will check num lock key for 5 seconds by holding num lock key. If I am pressing num lock key for 5 seconds, then this my toggle key works. So here you will check turn on filter keys. Filter keys, children, here these filter keys are that if you want to use any specific key, that if you want to ignore or slow down or repeat any step, then you will use filter key. These are the few more keys. Next is your, these are not in your use, make it easier to focus on task, and here is for reading and typing. For this purpose these same keys are there. So one is topic is there, that one is your sounds entry. Sounds entry is basically if any person is having disability problem, that person is not able to see whatever the things, okay. So what it will do, it will display the visual warning. If any person is not able to listen, that person is partially deaf, that person is not able to listen whatever the messages are there, so for that person it will produce the sound, it will produce the visual warnings like blinking of the title bar. So these visual warnings, they are in sounds entry. Okay, children. So children, sounds entry is for creating visual warnings for those people those who are partially deaf or totally deaf. Okay, children, with this our topic completed. Thank you for listening and thank you, class.